Okay, peoples. So, as promised, this is my first time ever actually taking off the Raptor, or starting up the Raptor, rather. I have taken off Raptors before. I've lifted off in them, but only ever from a hot start. So, this'll be my first true cold start in the Raptor. So, close the canopy. It's gonna get loud. I already know that. And so now we want to press the battery on, and then we go over to here and we auxiliary power unit on. And then these two here, left and right generators on. And we push the throttles forward a tiny bit so that they will get, so that we get the RPMs we need. And so, based on the tutorials I've seen so far, it looks like this thing actually lights up the screens at 60 RPM. Some people seem to think it's 70, but I don't know. I mean, let's take a look. We can watch them come up. It's 30 right now, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61. Okay, so at 61 RPM the screen seemed to come on. And so that's the good news. That's some good news for us. Okay, good. Our head display in the right spot again. And let me make sure I haven't forgotten anything. Oh, that's right. The ground override. So this way, our engines, or our bomb bay doors are all closed. And that should take care of everything that I need to do from there. The parking brake was already off. So, let's toin and line up on the runway. Surprised this thing hasn't flipped over. And let's go full acceleration. Let's just send it. Oh, I love the Raptor. Look at how it just kind of automatically takes off, y'all. The Raptor's just so cool. I know, I'm a big fan. Boy, that's a shame, isn't it? That's a darn shame that I'm a fanboy, huh? Can't have that. Okay, and so let's do a power loop. Yeah, the plane's only gonna complain when I take off throttle. And even then, not by a lot. Over. So now we need to open the landing gear again. I hope this happens. I'm a programmer. Man, why does not this thing want to do it? Do I have to be like lined up with it or something? Stupid. Come on, landing gear down. Okay, well, that's gonna be a different kind of problem for a different sort of day, I guess. Come on. Landing gear down. Right. Okay, well, first of all, we're getting way off the base there. So, let's see if I can kind of figure this out on the way to the airport. Put ourselves right in front of the daggum gear. Or right in front of the daggum switch. Click. Right? No. Is there a button there or anything? I don't know why it's not working, y'all. I have no clue. But it is what it is. This is the video. Alright. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.